How to create goods receipt note in Businet. Users can create goods receipt note after selection of supplier and gate entry number, and the item details will be auto-populated, where users need to enter the batch details and click on Save button. Once the document is saved, users can further process for item costing detail, where users can apply other charges, and once document is approved, stock and items landed cost will be updated. Further, users can generate PDF print of the respective document. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.